All right, I just took the carb back out of the boat again for the 5th or 6th time. Took it all apart, blew every single channel out with compressed air. Every little orifice that I could find, I just blew a bunch of compressed air in it. I was figuring something was clogged, which was causing the boat to only run when the choke was all the way pulled out, meaning that this must have been starving for fuel, had way too much air. So now, when we start it up, no choke. It's already choked. It's just purring real nice. Running perfect. Couldn't be better.